What's up, guys? It's Casey and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're back with another hair video and we're gonna do a hair combo. I don't think I've ever done this combo before. I feel like I've tried this product on my channel before, but I don't think I ever did the combo, and I need to pop and wash and go. Last week was a fail and I wasn't happy about it, so today I'm feeling really hopeful. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. The products we are going to be using today is the Doux Bee Girl collection. This is the Crazy Sexy Curl Foam, and this is the Bee Girl Honey Coil Custard. Now, I have been a gel and mousse girly for a good couple of months now, and I'm always using niche, but I'm ready to like start switching up, especially because last week was a fail and I don't really understand why, but that's neither here nor there. This is the consistency of the gel, child. Y'all see that? Very jelly like. And this is the mousse. Now, I've already washed my hair. You guys already know how this goes. I did do an Olaplex treatment on my hair, the number 3, and I did use the shampoo and the conditioner, but I mixed the conditioner with a Camille Rose conditioner because I just needed a little bit more softness in my hair. And I did that treatment just because I did my Holy Grail routine last week and it came out a fail, which was really weird to me. So that just told me my hair probably needed a little bit of love. So we're scooping up this gel. It's very like, make you think of some things. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna warm it up on my hands, and I'm gonna start by smoothing it on my roots. I really didn't use a lot just now. I just used what was in the top, and I'm gonna smooth it down. Oh baby, it's already doing things. My curls are already clumping really nicely. Okay, she's cute. Let's go on with the mousse right on top. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't like the smell of these products. I don't know, something about the smell I'm not really feeling. But I just know the Doux does really good at products for type 4 hair. And if you're not new to my channel, then you already know this section of my hair is always the problem. It's always a little frizzy. But I feel like we got like tons of definition right there. So I'm going to take about this much of my hair. Pin this up. This like consistency is so trippy. Smooth it on the roots of my hair to lay them roots down so that way the roots of my hair is not like super puffy. And I'm just going to rake it in. It is pretty nice. Like, it's combing my curls pretty nice. I feel like I've used the product before, but I just don't remember what it was like. And I also want to say that I used it pre-Allen, and my hair has changed since becoming a mom. Like, the texture of it is a little different. It just reacts to things a little different. What's that looking like to y'all? Does it look frizzy to y'all? See, I'm always like feeling like a product is not working well when I'm doing my hair because I start at this very same section every single time, and I know better. I know that that section is not going to give the way I want it to. So I just got to just embrace the fact that that section of my hair is going to be a little frizzy, and that's okay. Now this starts to be the section of my hair that usually like looks pretty normal, I guess. Not normal, but it doesn't really have frizz if the product works well. I feel like my curls are definitely defined. I'm definitely seeing some definition. I just don't know if I'm going to have hold, and that scares me. I am not trying to just rewash my hair. I think we can take slightly bigger sections, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my shower cap. We have the gel on our hands. I'm gonna smooth it on my roots and rake down. Smooth the roots, make sure those roots aren't puffy, and that hair is really just absorbing all that product. It's not just sitting on top of your hair. The mousse. With just the gel, that looks really good. Okay, so the first section is completely done. From what I can see, tons of definition, which we love. Not too sure what the hold is going to give. I also feel like my hair just looks bigger than normal when I'm doing my wash and go, like with my Holy Grail products. So I just feel like I'm going to have like a bigger wash and go, which ain't nothing wrong with that, honey. I love me some volume. But yeah, I definitely just feel like, yeah, my hair is going to look a little bigger, which, like I said, I'm cool with. So what I'm going to do, if you don't know the routine, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my head. I'll come back before I dry it. Then we'll look at it dry and all that good stuff, okay? And I bet. And I'm back. Okay, so I'm doing my curly little bang moment. That's why you guys can't see my eyes. But I feel like this looks pretty good. Like, I think it's eating down. What do you guys think? I feel like she's cute, okay? I definitely still feel like I'm going to have some cute volume, but the definition is 100% there. Curious to see what the hold is going to give, but I am enjoying this combination, and I definitely think I'm going to be using it again in the future. But let me not speak too soon. I'm going to sit underneath the dryer, let it dry, and come back, and we're going to check on how we feel. Okay, so it is actually the next day, so sorry if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background. My son and my boyfriend are playing, and then he had the TV on. It's a lot going on. So this is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, the definition goes crazy. I'm obsessed. It is very stiff. We have a cast that we definitely need to break. I'm using some K18 oil and just kind of scrunching to break that cast. I'm sorry, guys, if y'all hear that. They're having the time of their life. This is the K18 oil I'm using to break the cast, just to make it a little softer. But I personally don't mind the crunch when I do my wash and goes, because I just feel like it lasts just so much longer. You know, bring me the crunch, child. It's interesting because the back of my hair feels like softer than the front. The front definitely has more of a cast than the back does. I don't know what that's about, but I'm obsessed with the definition, y'all. Ooh, this looks really good. But there is just some crunchiness in the front, child. Ooh. This looks so good. I'm like obsessed. So here are like my final thoughts on this combo. First of all, no flaking, and we love that. No flaking at all, which I am not surprised to do. Usually doesn't flake on me. The definition is defined. Okay, it looks so good, and I just love how my hair looks right now. Like, I feel like this is the best wash and go I've done in a while. I'm really loving the outcome. My son hears my voice, so y'all gotta excuse him. But yeah, I love this. I'm gonna give this a solid 10 out of 10. This looks so freaking good. It does have a cast, so I am gonna have some hold. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I don't have the words, because this wash and go is that perfect. Okay, so I would definitely say pick up these products if you haven't tried it already, and try to do the little combo, because honey, it's approved for type 4 hair. Hello, look at the curls. Look at the curls, how she's curling. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And in the meantime, while y'all wait for another video, y'all, I don't know how long that's gonna take. Okay, I don't know how long that's gonna take, but leave some suggestions, some video ideas that you guys want to see, and I will check y'all in the next one. Bye. Ew, I got lipstick on my teeth. I hate when that happens. It's so embarrassing.